of the most tragic and emotionally challenging experiences we can go through is the loss of a loved one. In addition to your grief, you may also be worrying about paying bills, managing expenses, and figuring out the many and unexpected changes to your family's life. If a family member has been killed as a result of someone else's negligence, North Carolina law allows your family to pursue what's called a wrongful death claim. Nothing can bring your loved one back, but the law does help you pursue financial compensation, a bit of justice, and perhaps some emotional closure. Some common causes of wrongful death include vehicle accidents, including cars, motorcycles, boats, and commercial trucks, drunk driving crashes, medical malpractice, defective products or drugs, and workplace accidents. A wrongful death lawsuit is the law's attempt to compensate those who have been left behind for the loss caused by the wrongful death. The statute of limitations on a wrongful death claim in North Carolina is generally 2 years from the date of a person's death. The claim must be made by the personal representative of the person who died, someone who has been named in a will or appointed by the court. Often, that is a spouse or a close family member. But it's important to understand that a wrongful death claim is for the benefit of those left behind, the decedent's heirs under the law, which usually include a spouse, children, or close family members. If you think you may have a wrongful death claim, there are a number of ways we can help you. We investigate what happened, what caused the death, and who may be at fault. We assist you with preparing and opening the estate to pursue the wrongful death claim. We negotiate with the insurance companies and all other responsible parties on your behalf. We prepare and file the wrongful death lawsuit, and we handle all court proceedings, including the trial if necessary. North Carolina law allows for several categories of financial compensation for wrongful death claims, including expenses for care, treatment, and hospitalization, compensation for pain and suffering of the person who died, funeral expenses, and what's called the present monetary value of the person who died, which may include their income, the services, care, and assistance they provided, as well as the society, companionship, and comfort they provided to those left behind. That's perhaps a lot to take in, among everything else you may also be dealing with. But making sure you are able to seek all of the financial compensation you may be entitled to is one of the reasons it's important to work with an experienced wrongful death attorney. We understand how difficult it can be to cope with the tragic loss of someone you love. We've helped many clients in your situation. Our goal at the law offices of James Scott Farron is to ease your burden while ensuring you have every opportunity to seek as much compensation as possible, as quickly as possible, on behalf of your lost loved one. Contact us on our website or by phone today. We are ready to help.